So long no see. Anyway, today we are at K-Fry for just some food review. A lot of people have been coming here, have been telling us that, you know, since our place are nearby, but then how come we didn't actually drop by? Because why? Wifey is pregnant. Yes. Coming soon. EDD 19 October, inshallah. Okay, anyway, today we ordered the spicy bumbuk, as you can see here. And of course, we also have this chicken that's already been made just now. You can see the videos later on. Actually, we have some recording as well. So now I'm just going to try a bite on this yummy cheesy chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I eat first, okay? Ciao. Alright, so now it's going to be round 2. We're going to say, come on, refry the cheese here. And here is our sweet lady here going to help us. Alright, wife is enjoying, baby is enjoying. The fries is awesome as well. So yeah, we're going to... Okay, she's going to do longer. I challenge her to do over again. We shall see whether she's going to do it or not, right? Okay, so now basically we're going to ask like, yeah, see that? Awesome. So what else are you waiting for? Come over. Just nearby, alright? Now it's wifey turn. She's yet to review on how is it like. Sopan my wife. Yeah, very tertib. I'm more animal lah. How is the cheese like? Is it very cheesy? Very cheesy, very creamy? Alright, so how about the spicy level? Is it very spicy?
Very spicy, so it's just nice with the cheese.
Okay.
Otherwise it's more sangat.
Alright, can. They also give us fries as well to like we can dip in together with the cheese as well. This is how it looks like, and after that when actually it wraps with the cheese, which you can see in the video later on, and then how it becomes later on. So yup, we're gonna enjoy our food later on. We still have some bitsu to come along. These are Rita apple actually, something like a nice artisan mocktails that they have right now. So yep, we're gonna have our food first and maybe with more reviews later on. Thank you. Makan sayo.
Makan. Makan, I know.
Sayo is vegetable. So eat vegetable.
Good for the health.
Yeah. Next we're gonna have the fries with cheese. A bit hot, but it's okay. I don't know what else to say, but my recommend is must come here, alright? This had Holiday Villa Hotel, right? Yeah, Holiday Villa. Just at the food itself. Come over here. It's quite the price is quite reasonable. So yep, come soon. The moment that my wife had been waiting for, the time for dessert. And here, I'd like to present to you the mango bitsu. If your wife is angry, you say you're gonna treat her for bitsu, then she's happy. Review for the mango bingsu. Here itself, on top, vanilla ice cream. You have mango, some of sauce or syrup here. Then after that, you have the mango itself. Inside, ice cream, and yeah, more ice cream. And then after that, layers and layers of layers and layers of mango, and also with the ice cream as well. So